Guten Morgen. Making leeks, carrot, spinach, chicken, stew, soup. I don't know what it's called. There you go. This is how it's getting ready. Now I'm gonna add my carrot and serrano hot pepper. Wow, we'll see. Alrighty. And here is the chicken. Hello friends. And I just added cilantro and serrano pepper, garlic, and marchette. Yeah. Let it cook. And I also added black pepper. Let's see. Welcome back. Now I add my leeks inside with a little bit of chicken, and I will add the broth and then spinach at the end. Alright, we'll see you at the end. Alrighty. Now I add potatoes and cilantro, parsley, and basilic. Voila, and I will add a little bit of broth. Okay, see you in a little bit. Voila, spinach in. Now we're gonna give some stir and a little bit, just a few minutes to make it softer, the spinach. And this, I don't know what I call this, stew, chicken soup, or that's my creation. Let me know what you think. Alright? Voila. My friends, final touch. Cilantro, parsley, basilic. If you were here, taste beautiful. I think it's too thick a little bit. I could add a little bit more broth, but I just taste it. Tastes wonderful. I wasn't expecting to see something like this outcome with all of this. Let me know what you think. Enjoy it and make it and let me know. Good luck. Voila!